Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. What's up, guys? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Inshallah, may Allah keep all of you stay blessed, happy, prosperous, and healthy. Alhamdulillah, we are going through the series of Quran recitation rules, and we are reading the Qaida, Quranic Qaida, Madani Qaida, or some other books, but chapters are like same. So now we are going to make, inshallah, chapter 3 video. I'm going to share my screen, inshallah. And then we are here, Harkaat. Chapter 3 is a Harkaat. This is going to be our fourth video, inshallah. Okay, the plural of Harakaat. Harakaat means Zabar Zer Pesh. These terms are mostly utilized in subcontinent Pakistan and India. They say Zabar Zer Pesh. So these harakat are meant to describe or to give you guidance how to pronounce a specific letter in Arabic. I'm gonna give you examples and everything will be clear to you, inshallah. Zabar, Zer, Pesh, three harakat, okay? And in other countries or like globally, they say Fataha, Kasra, Dhamma. Fataha goes for Zabar and um, Kasra means Zer and Dhamma means Pesh. And meaning of Zabar is something that is above, and meaning of Fatha also stands for this, like something that is above, haraka, or like sign. There is a sign, small line, okay, like tilted line. If I can give you, yeah, here you can see this sign. I'm gonna zoom in. So you can assume like here is a letter written, Arabic letter, Alif Ba Tasa, and if above it, this sign it is called Fatha or Zabar. As per subcontinent term, this is Zabar, and as per global term, this is Fatha. And Arab countries also use Fatha. Something that is below, this is called Kasra or Zer, or something that is like this. This is called in subcontinent Pesh, or globally this is called Dhamma. Okay. Now, what difference do they make, and how they guide us to pronounce the letters? Zabar, Zer, Pesh, Fatha, Kasra, Zamma. Okay. So we have already read these 29 alphabets of Arabic language. Now, if there are any haraka, these signs above or below like this or Dhamma, okay, how to pronounce them? So this was first ever letter of Arabic alphabets. If there is Fatha or Zabar above it, we will say Alif Zabar A or Alif Fatha A. And if there is Zer or Kasra, we will say Alif Kasra E or Alif Zer E. I am calling it Alif. Some other people call it Hamza. Okay. So it is allowed for you, whatever you want to call it. Only implementation of the rules is our purpose. Terms can be different. So Hamza Fatha A, Hamza Kasra E, Hamza Dhamma U. Or in other words, Alif Zabar A, Alif Zer E, Alif Pesh U, A, E, U. Hamza Fatha, Hamza Zabar or Hamza Fatha, Hamza Zer or Hamza Kasra, Hamza Pesh or Hamza Dhamma. A, E, U. So goes with Ba Fatha Ba, Ba Kasra B, Ba Dhamma Bu, Ba Bi Bu. Ta Fatha Ta Kasrati, Ta Dhamma Tu, Ta Ti Tu. Sa Fatha Sa Kasra Si, Sa Dhamma Su, Sa Si Su. So goes. So in order to make this video shorter, I will now be reading all of them without breaking them down, spelling them out. You know, when we say spelling or breaking is like when I say ta fatha ta kasrati, ta dhammatu, ta ti tu. So I have spelled them out. I have broken them out. But if I don't do this, if I keep going like ja, ji, ju, ha, he, hu, now I am not spelling them out, nor I am like breaking them out. Okay. So both ways, sometimes if teacher asks you to break it out, break it down, or like if I spell this out, then you will say ha, fatha, ha, kasra, hi, ha, dhamma, hu, ha, he, hu. This is breaking this down or spelling this out. So If you wanna read it without spelling this out, or in other words, breaking this down, you will say ha, he, hu, ha, he, hu, da, di, do. I am not spelling them out now. Okay. So I want to I don't want to make this video very lengthy, so I will not break them down because I have already given them an example or demonstration how to break them down. Now only I will be reading them simply without spelling. Ha, he, hu, da, di, do, za, zi, zo, ra, ri, ru, za, zi, zu, sa, si, su, sha, shi, shu, sa, sui, su, da, di, du, ta, ti, tu, za, zi, zu, a, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, fa, fi, fu, ha, pi, pu, ka, ki, ku, la, li, lu, ma, mi, mu, na, ne, nu, va, vi, vu, ha, hi, hu, a, e, u. This is called Hamza. This is called Hamza, and this one when it has Fatha, Kasra, or Dhamma, this is also called Hamza. And if this doesn't have any haraka, like no Fatha, no Kasra, no Dhamma, then we will call it Alif. So a, e, u. In order to break down, you will say Hamza Fatha a, Hamza Kasra e, Hamza Dhamma u, a, e, u. So goes with Ya Fatha ya, Ya Kasra yi, Ya Dhamma you, Ya ye you. So if you want to have more explanation, you can contact us. You can have even more explained lectures from us, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.